So the villages, they are expanding. New villages, new squares, new everything. So we took a ride down south by Well Point, close to the Eastport area, to see what's going on down there, check the houses, check everything else. So we came across a small section in Well Point. The village is Well Point. Well Point is south from Warm Springs and is between Corbin Trail and Must Trail. It's like 5 minutes ride to Eastport and 5 minutes ride to Sawgrass and another 5 minutes ride to Magnolia Plaza for your shopping needs. So we came across this beautiful section in Well Point called Isabela Villas. Soon as I saw it, I'm like, wow, this is looks so beautiful. It's stunning. I mean, look at it. It has beautiful colors, driveways, landscaping. All the houses are kind of white, and some of them they do have a little touch of gray or beige. It's not really green and yellow and so on. And most of them, if not all of them, they are concrete houses, concrete. I haven't seen a vinyl siding. That's beautiful. The villages should keep up that way. As you can see, the new fencing, they are gorgeous. Those black metal fencing, they are just beautiful. It give a nice, refreshing look. It reminds me of Europe, Mediterranean style. The lights on the front of the houses, they are just stunning. Even the numbers on the houses, they are just beautiful. It looks so nice. I think it's the sexiest village or section in the villages. I have to give it to the villages for upgrading and updating and modernize the new housing. They're just beautiful, stunning. Those are courtyard villas. So most of them, if not all of them, they are they have privacy. They have fencing around the backyard. Some of them do have pools, the beautiful pools, and they're well priced. The only thing with the pools, they don't have a cage. They are not. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I guess it depends. If there is a lot of mosquitoes, it might be a problem. But you can always edit if you want to down the road. I mean, they're just beautiful. I mean, the driveways, the landscape, everything is stunning. All the houses, they have quartz countertops. That's something they should be standard in all houses. They should get rid of that formica. They have beautiful touches, some upgrades, lighting, fixtures. I think those I think those are beautiful homes. As I say, they're courtyard villas, 3 or 4 bedrooms. beautiful pools, and the location is excellent. Isabella Villas in the village of Well Point. I think that this is the sexiest section in the villages yet. If you agree, please comment on the comments section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I need to have 1,000 subscribers according to YouTube to continue. I will appreciate it. It's free. It's one click. Thank you so much.